In recent years, the trend for two-tone kitchen or color and textured kitchen has been very prevalent. So today we'll look at the golden rule to what's the right decision to make. Hello, my name is François. Welcome to our E-SPACE. Rest assured that the kitchen specialist is the right person to help you create that fluid and aesthetic combination. Regardless of the material that you select, the two most used finishes are solid color or wood grain. When talking about solid colors, we refer to as opaque colors, so that it is all white, all blues, all grays, or beige. As long as you create a good and fluid combination with the colors, you'll create a beautiful design. When you want to integrate a wood grain, that it is walnut, white oak, maple, just make sure you combine it with a solid color that will be complementary to the finishes. That way it's going to help make the wood grain pop, and also your solid color is going to give warmth to the place. For what relates to the sheen, the gloss factor of each of the material, usually we suggest to combine two very similar sheen or completely opposite. Try to avoid getting too close in the sheen because then it doesn't look like you're trying to make a difference. The opposite make a greater effect. To summarize, it is very easy to combine two-tone colors together. Also, to have a color and a wood grain, those are pretty easy. Something you should try to avoid is mixing two wood grains. Sometimes they end up fighting with each other and you won't get a good result. So a two-tone kitchen or a color and wood grain finish is pretty limitless. You just need to take into consideration the surrounding rooms, the style of the house, and your own taste. Hopefully this tip was useful. To learn more, visit us on our E-SPACE. My name is François. Thank you for joining us.